Hi everybody, I'm going to show you the fastest way to achieve this wireframe transition effect in Blender 2.8 using Eevee as render engine and a few modifiers. This video is sponsored by myself, so please hit the subscribe button and even better share this video if you liked it. For this tutorial I'm using a very low poly model of a car, downloaded under Creative Commons license, link and credits in the description. The first thing you want to do is select a car, doing a copy, exactly in the same position. Let's call it car wire. And let's hide the solid. Will appear the wireframe version in our animation first. And we need to add a modifier called build. Two main parameters. One is the length of the animation, which is 100 frame in this case. And this is the starting frame. And this is what happens with our animation. So the car is built basically from the back. It's important to notice that the order of the polygons to be built by this modifier, it's decided by the sorting of the polygon in the object. Our sorting at the moment is from the back to the front. If you go to edit, you select all your polygon and then on mesh, sort elements, and you decide what is the order of the polygon. If I randomize, for example, this order, now my animation will look like this. Sometimes we can have an order given by how we build the object, for example, the wheel first and then another parts. Or for example, we can sort the elements given by the material, so it will create all the material in order. Or even easier, the way I did it before, I sorted the elements with the cursor's distance. Let's move the cursor in another position, for example on the top of the car. Now the animation should go vertically. So if we select the car, select all the faces, sort elements, cursor's distance, and this is the effect. Or from the front. And here we have it. Next step, add our wireframe modifier. Make it a little bit thicker, and this will still work in the same way. From here, it's kind of easy. You change your material. You want a total new material for your wireframe. Let's do something completely different. And this is the final effect. The only thing I did at the end is to animate the visibility of the object in a way that when the wire is completely built, it will disappear while the solid model will appear. And I did this animating the alpha of the two material. The car wire material start with the, show you here, with the alpha of 1. Once it reach 150, start fading to 0, and in the same way the solid model instead start with 0 alpha, and once the wire model has disappeared, the alpha of the solid model is set to 1. With some tweaking, it's easy to achieve different effects from the same setup. For instance, you can add some randomness to the creation of the solid model. Thank you for watching and ciao!